When we were a small firm, it was easy to adapt to change. But then we won more customers and had to deliver more product to more countries with more trucks and more staff, and boof, our turning circle wasn't so tight anymore. We started looking at tech to make our business more responsive, but I thought SAP software would break the bank or would have too many bells and whistles. Turns out, their cloud solutions fit our budget with an affordable monthly subscription. It gives us the flexibility to buy what we need right now and add functionality and users to handle whatever happens down the road. With over 20,000 SAP partners worldwide, we found the right one to support our success over the long haul. Now we can focus on our business, not managing our IT. And with SAP solutions, I'm confident we'll grow better, not just bigger.